Welcome to the product demo of the Wood-Mizer LT70 wide super hydraulic portable sawmill. Built in the USA, the LT70 wide features supercharged engine-powered hydraulic log handling and head controls, pedestal control station with joysticks, debarker, and more for a fast and fully loaded super hydraulic sawmill engineered for high production sawing day in and day out. Let's take a look. Saw softwood and hardwood logs up to 41 inches in diameter with a 34.5 inch width of cut and a 20 feet 2 inch length before extensions. More than enough capacity for most logs you'll come across and all the wide slabs you'll want to make. The powerful and reliable 55 horsepower diesel engine delivers the necessary power to meet your high production sawing needs. The patented cantilever open saw head allows for sawing of odd-shaped logs, simple setup with minimal bed leveling, and comfort design with easy off-bearing on the trapezoid-shaped bed. Quickly and accurately move the sawhead up, down, and forward-reverse for sawing with the fast, engine-powered sawhead controls. Drag-back boards for easier off-bearing with the auto board return arm and attached outfeed table. The pedestal control station allows the operator to be positioned anywhere around the mill to control all hydraulic head and bed functions. Similar to AccuSet 2 Setworks, the enhanced HMI control panel calculates board thickness to quickly and accurately position the sawing head automatically for the next cut while maximizing the yield per log. Two fully proportional joysticks control all head and bed functions of the sawmill, including side supports, log clamp, log turner, toe boards, blade guide arm, and debarker. Engage the sawmill blade with the convenient on-off switch on the controls that engages the clutch and automatically throttles the engine at the same time. The LT70 wide uses 195-inch length sawmill blades that run on belted 24-inch diameter cast iron band wheels for additional stability in the cut. With the ability to saw as precise as 1/16 of an inch with a thin curved sawmill blade, you get the most usable lumber out of every log. Reduce blade travel and support the blade when sawing narrow and wide material with the adjustable blade guide arm powered by a switch on the control station. Blade guide rollers provide extra support and stability for sawmill blades to saw accurately and consistently compared to blade guide blocks. In addition to continuously feeding the blades, the blade guide rollers apply downward pressure on the blade while sawing for better cut quality. Keep the sawmill blade cool and free of pitch, sap, and sawdust while sawing with the Auto Wood-Mizer blade lubrication system. Featuring an adjustable electronic flow controller and pump, the Wood-Mizer applies a special lubricating solution to both sides of the blade for better blade life and sawing performance. Mud, rocks, bark, and other sawmill blade dulling debris is no longer a problem with the debarker. By clearing a 1/4 inch wide path in front of where the sawmill blade enters the cut, the debarker protects sawmill blades from damage. With a debarker, you will save money by extending your sawmill blade life, and you will also save time previously spent on pre-washing logs and changing blades more often from sawing into debris. Ideal for indoor setups, the optional laser sight acts as a second pair of eyes to pinpoint the precise location where the blade will hit the log, reducing waste and increasing yield. Constructed of fully welded, premium quality steel, the sawmill bed adds extra strength where it counts, with a box steel frame and precision welded monorail. The cross sections or bunks feature wide top surface areas and stainless steel protective coverings for easier log handling, added durability, and preserving lumber quality. Upgraded with super engine powered hydraulics, the LT70 wide includes a gear driven hydraulic pump for our fastest hydraulics available. Load large logs onto the sawmill bed with hydraulically controlled loading arms. Each arm features a self-leveling, heavy-duty cylinder. Twice as fast as a claw turner, logs and cants are easily turned and rotated for maximum control with a hydraulically controlled bidirectional steel chain log turner. Two hydraulic roller toe boards assist with the precise leveling of the heartwood of the log to maintain lumber quality. The toe boards are also equipped with rollers to easily move material across the bed frame. The heavy-duty bidirectional hydraulic log clamp tightly fastens logs for sawing and is adjustable up, down, and in-out as material is cut. 4 strong steel side supports, 2 vertical and hydraulically controlled, are adjustable up-down to stabilize logs in the bed during loading, turning, clamping, and sawing. An additional built-in bedside support on each bunk allows for final cuts as low as 1 inch of the bed. The LT70 wide is completely portable and ready for road travel with a standard single-axle trailer, hitch, taillights, and electric brakes. 6 fine adjust outriggers allow for quick setup and simple, precise leveling of the bed to prepare for sawing. Saw logs up to 20 feet 2 inches in length with the included sawmill bed. To saw longer lengths, a 6 feet bed extension can be added with a 26 feet 2 inch max length of cut. With optional accessories and support equipment including laser sight, log deck, material handling systems, and more, the LT70 wide can grow with you. Manufacturing the LT70 wide by the Wood-Mizer owned and operated factory in the United States provides for the best combination of premium quality equipment at a low cost to you. Free sawmill training by an experienced service representative is included during your Wood-Mizer location pickup. Thank you for watching the demo of the LT70 wide super hydraulic portable sawmill. For more information or to order, visit woodmizer.com or contact your local Wood-Mizer representative.